What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to talk about two stocks. Two stocks I think that could really be capitalized on right now, whether it's for a long-term investment or a shorter-term move. But before I get into that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody who's willing to listen. So, that being said, man, let's just get right into this, shall we? So the two stocks I want to talk about, of course, are NIO, N-I-O, and NNDM. First of all, I want to get into NIO. Just it had a huge dip day yesterday, down almost 8% from its high. And again, it's just a typical when it breaks, we always have these corrections. So, when we see the breakout here at this point, boom here, and then it broke out again past this breakout, boom here, and then a drop. So, we finally got this big push of the breakout due to the NIO day on January 9th, and we had that strong push, and then now we're just having this strong correction. It is typical. But again, man, for me personally, NIO is an amazing stock for the long term. And I'm still holding on to my shares personally. But now it's down in the 50s, in the 56 range. And I think at most it'll probably bounce off this previous high in the 54s. So for me personally, it is a beautiful time to buy. It's like buying at a discount. It's at an amazing price right now that you could capitalize on, whether you want to buy it for a long term or if you want to buy it just to try to make a $10 profit back up to highs within another week or so. So it's either a great long-term buy right now, or it could be a potential great short-term swing trade buy at this very moment. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit and get into the technicals. So I do believe that it will potentially just bounce off this 54. So even at the range it's in right now, 56 is a great buy because we're $10 off the high. And history shows, as you watch this thing, it always eventually corrects itself because it is a growth stock and a growth company, and they continue to do amazing things. And I only see that continuing to happen. Also, with NIO, these updates of, these analysts coming out saying that Tesla's new $950 stock price target. So now you guys got to remember and put this under consideration that before Tesla did the 5-to-1 split, it was trading at $2,300 before it went down to $500. So if you think about it, this is like double. So now that in my mind, that puts a price at, about $4,600. And I truly believe, again, I'm going to say it again, that, NIO could truly be up in those $1,000 ranges at some point, 5 years, 10 years down the line. And I'm holding on to my shares for that reason because, I'm not going nowhere because I truly believe this thing could be in the thousands of dollars and be in the hundreds of billion-dollar market cap, if not more. And then another great one to capitalize on too would be NNDM. So let's get into NNDM. Again, a similar type chart pattern, which is exactly what I look for. I like to look for these gradual climbs, not only on the chart pattern, but I also, it has to meet all my criteria. So it starts with the chart pattern. If I'm seeing this in the chart pattern, which is gradual climb, that causes me to start digging in and doing my homework and my due diligence on a company. And NNDM, Nano Dimension, is another excellent growth company that continues to move forward in the right directions. And now with their new manufacturing news that they just came out, I believe that this thing is going to head back and break this 1145 at some point. If you watch my previous videos on NNDM, if you haven't, please go and do so. When I was buying in down here in this range in the 6s, I was saying it's going to be up in the 14s, and we are now testing the 11.5s. So again, another great dip buy opportunity. You got a great dip buy opportunity on NIO, whether for a long-term investment or for a short-term swing. And then again on NNDM, you also have a great dip buy opportunity with the direct offering coming out at $950. This is still a good price. It's $1 higher. I believe it's still a good price, but me personally, it might still dip down because as you can see, it tested those levels here. And then multiple times it tested those levels here. So, I still think that it can dip a little bit more back down into the high nines. But overall, if just for any type of safe long-term play, this is still a great price to buy it at too, guys. It could very well be in the 14s and 20s later on in this year. And I could see that happening. I could definitely see that happening, if not more. So again, another great dip buy opportunity for NNDM, another great dip buy opportunity for NEO. Both of them you could capitalize on either long-term investments or a short-term swing trade on either one of these at the price range it is at now. So again, man, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place for you to do that. So NNDM, a beautiful time to dip buy for a long-term or a short-term position. NEO and IO, again, another great time to dip buy it for a long-term investment or a short-term swing trade. Both of them are poised beautifully right now to capitalize on. They both are beautiful dip buy opportunities at the moment. Man, if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, man, please go check them out either up here or up there, wherever. Or just go through my channel. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.